Next time you go to a restaurant or go abroad, you may need your permanent account number or PAN. In a bid to crack down domestic black money, the government's made PAN number mandatory for any kind of transaction above 2 lakh rupees. Not just that, restaurant bills over 50,000 rupees and foreign travel, including airfare or forex purchase over 50,000 rupees in cash, will also mandatorily need a PAN number. Sapna Das are joining us with that story. Sapna, if you look at the FNB and if you look at what is being said for airfare and travel, the earlier requirement was actually 25,000 rupees. So in that sense, the government has liberalized the need for a PAN number.
Well, starting from January 1, 2016, the PAN basket will stand enlarged. Not just that, more important is the fact that any kind of a transaction, be it via a bank check, be it via a card, or be it via a cash transaction, any transaction above 2 lakh rupees will require mandatory quoting of PAN. The finance minister in his budget speech had earlier indicated a lower monetary limit of 1 lakh rupees, but as of now, that stands revised upwards to 2 lakh rupees. Now, what implications will it have? Mainly for bullion and jewelry buyers. Here the existing limit was 5 lakh rupees. Now this stands reduced to 2 lakh rupees. So that is one segment that could be majorly impacted by this new PAN norm. Apart from this, a new transaction that has been added in the PAN basket would be purchase of cash cards above 50,000 rupees or more. There was no requirement for quoting of PAN for purchase of cash cards, which are generally used for gifting. Here now the rules stand changed, so a PAN quoting will be mandatory from January 1 onwards for any kind of a gift card or a cash card that you buy, which will be above 50,000 rupees or more. Apart from this, even when you open a demat account, quoting of PAN will be mandatory. And of course, in terms of any kind of a time deposit aggregating 50,000 rupees or more in a post office or in an NBFC company or even in a Nidhi company for that matter, will require mandatory coding of PAN. So this is what the bad news is about. In terms of any kind of a relaxation, well, in terms of foreign travel and also your restaurant bills, here the limit has actually been revised upwards. A relaxation has been given from 25,000 rupees. It has been made 50,000 rupees, and all these norms are going to kick into effect from January 1, 2016.
So those are all the new rules, and when you have to disclose the PAN number in an attempt to curb black money. Thanks a lot, Sapna, for joining us with that story.